Hello guys, in this video I'm going over a concept that's where we're gonna solve these equations. So equation is basically a sentence that's where you got two expressions and they're separated by a equal sign. So both sides either have a variable and a constant or a combination of variable and a constant. So when we say solve the equation, basically we are trying to find the value of the variable in that equation. So first example we got over here is a plus 3a is equal to 4. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to solve the value of this a, and as you know we can add the like terms. So this is a, this is a, so a plus 3a gives me 4a and it's equal to 4. So now what we're gonna do, we just want to find the value of a and we want to get rid of this 4a. So what we should do over here to get rid of this 4a? If we divide both sides by 4, what will happen, this 4 will cancel out with this 4. So on the left hand side we're left with only a, and that is equal to, and 4 divided by 4 gives me 1. So that is the answer. So basically we solved this equation. And the second example we got over here is x plus 4 is equal to 6, and again we are trying to find the value of this variable, which is x in this case. So we want to get rid of this 4. So if we subtract 4 on this side, that will cancel out this 4 and we'll left with only x. But again, if we are subtracting it from left hand side, we need to subtract it from the right hand side too. Then the equations will be same. Otherwise, if we just subtract from one side, the equation will change and we don't want to do it. It's like a balancing the equation. If you are subtracting, we're going to subtract from the other side too. If you are adding, we're going to add on the other side. If you're multiplying, we're going to multiply on the other side too. If you're dividing, we're going to divide the other side too, so that our original equations stay the same. Okay. Now as I subtracted from left hand side, I'm going to subtract from 4 from the right hand side too. So 4 minus 4 cancelled out, gives me 0. So left hand side I left with the x, and right hand side 6 minus 4 is 2. So that is the answer for my problem. Okay, so third problem we got is a plus 2 is equal to negative 11. Okay, don't be scared with those negative signs. So same rule, we want to find the value of a. So what we're gonna do, we got 2 over here, but we need only a on the left hand side. So if we subtract 2 here, this 2 will cancel the other 2, but we need to subtract it from both sides. Okay, so 2 will cancel the 2, and negative 11 and negative 2 gives me negative 13. Okay, so that's the solution. Okay, let's do one more. So here you got c divided by 8 is equal to 32. Again, we want to find the value of c, and we want to get rid of this 8. Let's simplify this problem more. So you remember, when there is a division, the rule is change the division to multiplication and write the reciprocal of that number, which is going to be 1 over 8. Okay, is equal to 32. And now if I multiply this side by 8, this will cancel this 8 over here, but again I need to multiply 8 on the other hand side too, right hand side too. So this 8 will cancel this 8, so 8 by 8 times 1 is 8 times 1 is 8. So this gives me c on the left hand side, and right hand side 32 times 8 is 8 times 2 is 16, 6 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25, so 256. I don't know what happened to my system, it's a little slow. 256. Let's do problem number 5, x minus 4 and minus 2. So we want to get rid of this 4, but remember now this 4 is a negative. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 4. Okay, we're gonna add 4 to left hand side and we're gonna add 4 to right hand side. So negative 4 plus 4 cancelled out gives me 0. So we're left with x on the left hand side and we're left with, so negative 2 plus 4 gives me positive 2. Okay, let's do one more problem. So this one is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we want to get rid of this 1, just want to find x. So if I subtract 1 here, so this will cancel out, so x will be equal to negative 1. So one more time again, so when this is solved the equation, that means they want you to find the value of the variable in the equation. So in this one, so there were two variables and you can add the same variable with each other, like terms, you can add them. So a plus 3a basically gives you 4a, which is equal to 4, and we want to get rid of this 4 which is multiplied by a. So if we divide by 4 on this side and divide by 4 on the other side too, so this 4 cancel this 4 gives me only a, and this 4 will cancel this 4 gives me only 1, so 1. Okay, so we are trying to find the value of this variable. Alright, so thanks for watching the video guys. Please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos on solving equations. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.